Friends, this is Melissa at Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the Declutter and Minimalist Challenge. Our host is Organized with Joy. Please check out her channel and all the amazing creators in the playlist. This month has been a big month decluttering, and me and my husband has worked a lot on downsizing and getting rid of things. Because, it's getting closer to winter, and who likes a lot of clutter when you have to be in the house all the time? It's time to get some of this stuff moved on, moved out, especially stuff that we're not using. We got rid of, in total, over a truckload of different things. We cleaned out our garage, we did drawer clean out, and we cleaned out some of the closets. So we had a big declutter month this month. I hope you enjoy seeing all the stuff that we got rid of. Got rid of one full bag of clothes in his closet. Okay, here's what I'm getting rid of. Some signs, a shirt that might have fit me when I was 3, a flower pot, a bunch of things that was in my kitchen drawers, and a rolling pin. One bag of trash I found in cubbies that needed to go away. And one full bag of some scarves, some organization stuff that can go away. It's emptied, and we're going to get rid of those. And 2 purses that I haven't used in a year. You know the rule. If I haven't used them in a year, they're gonna go away. This is a half of contractor bag. This is a half of a contractor bag full of shorts that I'm getting rid of. My husband's t-shirts, some sweaters, some khaki pants, where he cleaned out his side of the closet. I got rid of a bunch of CDs and DVDs. These are all DVDs that we got rid of, and a few CDs. Yeah. Okay, this is more things I'm decluttering. One of these hangers. Another dress. These dresses, I found them on clearance, but the shoulders, they always fall off the shoulders, which makes me uncomfortable. Another 2 purses is gonna go. Porch leaner is gonna go too. Okay, this is a bag of stuff we had in the garage. Dad's just making sure he got everything, and he found one thing that he decided he was gonna keep. And he's gonna tie a knot in the bag for security so nothing falls out on his trip to the thrift store. We cleaned out a lot of stuff out of our garage. And this is just one bag. Some of it was decor, a lot of it was decor that we don't need anymore, and we're downsizing. There's the first bag. Here's the second bag that we cleaned out. And he's going to tie a knot in it too. He wouldn't want to lose anything. And now he's going back and getting some more stuff. Let's see what it is. Another bag. There's bag number 3. We got rid of all this stuff from the garage. our goal with cleaning out the garage was make it easier to get in and out of the car for winter and to downsize some stuff out there. We still have probably another day of work out there. And this is a box of stuff that came from the garage too. Here's another contractor bag full of stuff. That one was nothing but clothes from us cleaning out closets and drawers. And of course, we forgot at least one box of thrift stuff. That box there was full of ribbon. We forgot a whole box of stuff for the thrift store on this trip. Of course, you got to forget one, so to make room, so you have to go back. Here's another box of stuff that we got rid of that was from the garage. We're just trying to fill the truck. Yeah, we forgot about a carload of stuff, and there are some wreath frames that'll be great for somebody for Christmas coming up. Here's some more wreath frames. And this is an angel wreath frame.